Welcome to this in-depth review of ThinkMarkets, an online broker offering various trading services like Forex, CFDs, indices, and stocks. In this video, I'll share my honest experience with ThinkMarkets, giving you a complete overview of the platform's advantages and drawbacks, so you can decide if it's the right choice for your trading journey. Let's jump right in and talk about the key features. Platform and service overview. ThinkMarkets provides traders with access to a range of financial markets. Their platform is equipped with MetaTrader 4 and 5, alongside a user-friendly web-based platform. One of the things I like about ThinkMarkets is the availability of both beginner and advanced trading tools. For novice traders, the educational materials are helpful, and a demo account allows you to get started without risking real money. Experienced traders can also benefit from its comprehensive trading tools, technical indicators, and automated trading capabilities. Advantages. One of the major benefits of ThinkMarkets is its tight spreads, especially for Forex trading. This means you can potentially save money on each trade. In addition, they offer negative balance protection, which is a great safety net for retail traders, ensuring you never lose more than your deposit. Customer service is also a strong point, with 24/7 support available via live chat, email, or phone. I've personally found their response time to be quick and helpful, which adds a sense of reliability. Disadvantages. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. The initial deposit requirement can be higher compared to some other brokers, which may be a barrier for beginners. Additionally, while the platform is feature-rich, it might feel a bit overwhelming to someone who is just starting out. Another minor issue is that withdrawal times can vary depending on the method used, so it's something to keep in mind if you need quick access to your funds. Costs and fees. ThinkMarkets is known for its competitive fees, particularly with their ThinkZero account, where spreads can be as low as 0.0 pips on major Forex pairs. However, be mindful that commission charges apply on these accounts. They also have a standard account with no commission, but slightly higher spreads. Inactivity fees apply if your account goes unused for a while, so it's worth keeping this in mind if you plan on trading infrequently. Middle video ad integration. Are you tired of the ups and downs of trading and constantly analyzing market trends? PrimeXPT offers a seamless solution. Copy the trades of experienced, successful traders and replicate their strategies automatically. With PrimeXPT, you can step up your trading game without all the hassle. Just register, make a deposit, and start copying winning trades today. Final thoughts. Overall, ThinkMarkets is a solid choice for both beginner and seasoned traders, offering a range of account options, access to various markets, and an intuitive platform. The support and features are great, but keep in mind the costs and fees. Ready to trade like a pro? You can even start copying the strategies of successful traders right now by clicking the link in the description. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like for more content like this. See you in the next one.